welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Flora. Guys, I'm just so excited to show you guys what I've got. Ta-da! 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 It's the Canon G7X Mark II. Guys, this item has been long overdue, yours. And I am officially a YouTuber, so I thought, why not get myself a good quality camera? I mean, if I can afford it, why not? Like, you guys feel me, right? So this Canon cost me £550. So this came in this little wrapper here. It was delivered to me. So I've taken this off and I want to show you guys what this camera looks like. So let's get straight to opening it. So guys, this is the camera. This is it. Let's open it. First things first, it comes with this little guide. Yeah. Smells of new print. It's just been printed today. I'm joking. Then, ooh, this is really nice and cute. This is really nice and cute. This is the tripod. Ah, this is nice and cute. I'll open it close up for you guys to see. That's cute. Then the almighty camera in itself just landed. This is the camera. That's what it looks like. As the deer panted for water, so my soul longs for you. Forever and ever, yeah. This hub comes with some extras, bits and pieces there. Wow. All right. Okay. The 32 gig charger. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so small, cute. Just how I wanted it to be. It's literally so small. Like, look at, this is the whole of my hands. This is literally how small the camera is. It's actually smaller than my mobile phone. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm just so impressed. Ooh, it comes out. Ooh, alright. I better not drop it. Oh my days. Alright, can we turn it on? Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna have to like, ooh, look at that. Alright, show off. Show off. Guys, so this is basically the camera. I'm not even sure what I'm doing with it. I'm not sure if how to turn it on, when to turn it on. I don't know. If I need to open the battery first. Oh, I need to put in the battery first. Okay, sorry guys, this is all new to me, okay? This is all new to me, okay? Forgive my ignorance. Forgive my ignorance. This is the charger to charge the battery, I believe. And this is a little handle, I think. Little handle to hold it, I guess. And this is a little battery. Alright, I can't wait to actually set this camera up properly. I'll show you guys, but this is basically what comes in it. You have your camera there, you have your charger, you have your battery, you have your little, I think this is like a handle, like a mini handle. You have your charging cord, and you have your 32 gig of memory. Gorilla Pod. Oh my god, it's called Gorilla Pod. It's called Gorilla Pod. Can you imagine that? Oh, fancy. Fancy. Show off. Show off, you little monster. Oh my god, this is so cute. I don't really know where this is going, but guys, look at that. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Flora. I'll hook this somewhere. I'm not sure where this goes. Could it go here? No, it can't be here. I have to watch videos of people assembling this thing and see what they do with this part. But like this is literally that, and you can bend it. Oh my god, it's so you can bend it, you can do whatever. And look, I'm already destroying it with the shape. This is my front facing camera of my iPhone 8 compared to this bad boy here. You guys tell me what you think.